Hi guys, welcome to Nelia and David channel again. Hi guys, I dropped my phone again. I dropped my old phone again. So I wish David can fix it again on my phone. So yeah, I'll show you guys. It looks like happened this one. But it's still working. It's still working, so yeah.
So she did it again.
Patrick?
everything works. Everything works.
Yeah.
I'll touch this twice, it should bring up your screen. Which it does, so everything works. So now I'm going to put it all back together. As you can see, everything works.
Don't play. Yay, I got my phone back. I'm very happy because David always fixed my phone. So I dropped twice already, guys. My first, the new one is the Samsung, and then yeah, David fixed it, and then this one just dropped on the floor, on the ground again, and then that's what they had the crock. Even they had a screen protector on it. It's a glass, and still not protecting. So this one, it look like new again. It's new again, and then very thank you to David. He always fix my phone every time I drop off. And then this is the first time to see inside the phone, guys, the iPhone. So yeah, so this is inside. This is the cover, and this is the crock. See, yeah, this crock is in there. You can see. That's why they landed on the floor. And also I tried to ask to the repair shop, and it was very expensive. I asked them it is 150 pound, and then I asked again to the different repair shop, and they said there's a little bit cheaper. It was 40 pound, and then they will get I have to wait for 30 minutes, something like that. So David said he wants to fix it if he can do it, and yeah, he did it. So thank you very much to my husband. So always fixing my broken phone. So now I got my phone back, and then it looked like a new again. Yeah, it's new phone. Yeah, everything is working now. So yeah, so I was it's not gonna be dropped again in the ground. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy watching our video, and if you are new on our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and leave the comments down below. And thank you. Hope you have a great weekend and stay safe. Bye bye.